Some are amazing.
What a gorgeous yard! Bumblebees carry pollen in pollen baskets on their hind legs. They can carry almost half their weight in pollen. That smells divine! Way to go, little bee! Pollinators even help in milk production. And you know what you use milk for, right, Squeaks? Cheese! That smells almost as good as my cheese. Cheese!
Oops! You need to fly the other way! Come on! Dear Mother Queen Bee wants us home with dinner soon! Come on! Dear Mother Queen Bee wants us...
This will look great in my yard. Toodle toodle oo.
Oh no! Ronald is taking away some of the bees' yummy nectar!
Look at that pollen on the move.
That smells divine!
Could there be anyone better? Let's go to the next level! Tally-ho!
Sunflowers! Zinnias! Queen Anne's lace!
Gather nectar!
Flowering squash! Some plants are trickier to pollinate. You'll have to visit 2 kinds of flowers on this plant or it won't grow any squash. That smells divine! Learn what flowers pollinators like best. Bumblebees can't see red. Plant.
You'll need to visit 2 kinds of flowers on this plant.
What a gorgeous yard!
There's the other flower! Land on it so the squash can grow. When it rains, it pours. Watch out for that sprinkler!
Bumblebees can fly in cooler temperatures than many other kinds of bees and are one of the first bees you'll see in spring. That smells divine!
Look at that pollen on the move.
What a gorgeous yard!
Look at that pollen on the move.
Amazing work, adventurer! Our little bee ate all the nectar it needed.
You earned a new flower and you collected the special item to use in your yard.